Good morning, angels. As we all know, today all India is celebrating Teachers' Day, right? Many of the teachers have told you, they always tell you why we celebrate, when we celebrate, and many more things, right? I would like to say, what is a teacher? What is role of teacher in your life? In everybody's life, in my life even, right? Because learning is lifelong process. We can't count it as up to only 20 of the age I will learn, after that I won't be learning. No, it is lifelong process. Whether I cross 75 of the age, then also I will learn. A teacher is just like a candle. What candle does? When there is darkness, then when it is lightened, it shows us path, right? To where to go, where something is kept, which we are supposed to take, where are obstacles, whom we can remove, or we are supposed to leave that path, right? Leave that way to move. That is a teacher. Teacher brings us out from the darkness of ignorance, from darkness of you can say illiteracy, of not knowing the facts. If once some of the persons say that there is no use, we are cramming tables, we are just doing some of the sums of mathematics which are not useful in future, we are we are going through the experiments, we are doing theory part of science, which will not be, I think, applicable, some of them. What persons say, is there any use in our life? We do literature of languages, what is use of those? There is no any use. We should go through practical work only, we should do only grammatical part, we should do mathematics which is applicable in coming future, we should do the science or SST which is applicable in coming future in our career. It is not so. Education, means of education is to make us our brain so wide, so active, that we are capable to think. Why not? Is it? When? How? These kind of the thinking, these kind of critical thinking, these kind of evaluating thinking, that comes only through education. When we go through literature, it means some moral values, a lot of moral values we learn. We don't know, slowly we learn a lot of things: how to live in society, how to behave there, how to respect our elders, how to love our youngers, how to behave with our peer group. We learn slowly, and there is no specific syllabus or period for that. Slowly we learn through our literature, right? And every subject whatsoever goes, we go through, that is very essential. So it's a teacher only who opens our brain, who opens our who enhances our vocabulary. It is only teacher. Through course of heart, I salute my teachers. Some of the teachers, they are always in our memories, because they did a lot, they did something different from others. You know, everybody does the same work, everybody teaches, every teacher in every school in world teaches the same syllabus which is prescribed by their board, by their government. Where is the difference? Some of the teachers are always in the memories of students in society. How? Because they do the things differently. They make education, so teaching so interesting, that every student is always eager to listen that teacher, always eager to be attentive in that teacher's period. that is teachers, they put their hard efforts to teach you, to make you civilized citizens, because having, yes, I am having citizenship of such and such country, but being civilized is essential. And remember, the motive of education is not merely to have engineers, doctors, scientists, IS officers, leaders. Moreover, real citizens, real human beings, having soft corner for the needy. As I think there is no any person in the world at present who don't know about Sonu Sood. Actually, I don't watch movies. Okay, I don't go to theaters. This time, this is lockdown. No, nothing is going on. But in previous time only, I do not prefer. If something is coming on TV, it's okay. News or something, that is my choice. I shouldn't discuss with you. But I know now a lot of things about Sonu Sood. He is a villain in films, but he is hero in real life. Why? Because he came to know about the sufferings of others. He became helping hand, and he is still helping the students who are living in remote areas. He is providing them data, he is providing them mobile phones. He not only he is inspiring others in some remote area of hilly area, I don't remember where it is in India. Tribal groups, tribal, which live in outskirt area in you can say forest. They are not counted as civilized, but they are inspired by the working of Sonu Sood, and they are preparing metal road on their own. They are helping others. Lot of persons, they are inspired. When you go through Twitter, there one person tweets to Sonu Sood, I don't have books because my father lost job, and our house that is also ruined. They are living in hut, in very poor conditions. Immediately one girl replied, you just tell me your address, postal address, I'll send you. I'm having the books which you need to continue your study. So that is inspired by that person only. Always be the role model for all. He is becoming role model. Many of the persons, they are following him. They are helping others without any kind of advertisement. Yes, I am helping person. See, I have a lot of list to show in media, to show government, or to show my friends and my family. I am having such kind of, I help these so and so persons, but they are helping. Be human being, and be thankful to your teachers. Attend each and every online class. Whatsoever videos reaches you, you just go through those thrice, and go through the contents, go through the chapters given in your textbooks, right? What will do in next meeting, in next online class, you just note down your doubts and ask in that class, and definitely teachers are there to remove your doubts, to make you a box of knowledge, which will shine up in coming future. Have a good day. Be thankful to your teachers. Be honest, be obedient, and be cooperative. Have a good day.